Hello everyone, my name is Olga Van Light and today I would like to assemble this gate with you. And yes, it is actually perfect to gate our pets out, kids, and so on. And this is actually made with a high quality wood. Wow, I'm completely fascinated by it already because it is actually super aesthetically pleasing, as you might have noticed. And yes guys, it also comes with these two accessories. And yes guys, these accessories are actually for stability. You can put it on your gate like this and it's not going to tilt over. I absolutely find it fascinating because anytime I think a gate, I actually feel like it's not going to be aesthetically pleasing, but this one is kind of almost like it floats in the air, right? So it definitely makes a big difference. And yes guys, I'm just going to put these things away, and as you can see, the possibilities are truly limitless. Again, you can use it as a gate, like for example, right here, I can actually isolate this opening, as you can see, so no one would go in there. Or also you can actually separate a certain area, like for example a sofa, and even without these stability pieces, it is quite stable, which I absolutely like. And yes guys, let me actually put the camera a little bit lower so all of you can see the bottom of the gate, right? So here is the stability piece right here, so it's actually super secure, which is great. And again, you can put it at the ends or you can put it in the middle as well. And again, these are so easy to put together. And I feel like it's definitely important if you do even have larger dogs like we do. You can actually isolate them, for example, in a foyer area. So yes guys, absolutely love how stable and secure it is, and that it's actually not going to tilt over. So definitely check it out. It actually looks and feels larger and sturdier than on a picture or a video. So I feel like it's definitely a great option for anyone who looks for a classier, more stable option as well. So definitely make sure to check it out. And again, depending on how structured your floor is, you can create any kind of pattern.